Marketable. If you can sell it and people want to buy it, it's marketable. Like a fresh pair of Jordans, if they're in good shape, they'll sell easy. 2. Maritime administration. The government bosses who run the ships, the ports, and all the water trade. They make sure boats don't crash, cargo gets where it's going, and everything on the water is handled right. 3. Maritime commission. Like the refs in a basketball game, but for the ocean. They make rules for shipping, shipbuilding, and making sure companies don't cheat when it comes to boat business. 4. Adversary. Your legal enemy. If you're in court, the other side, the ones trying to prove you wrong or make you pay, are your adversaries. 5. Admission against interest. When you slip up and admit something that actually hurts your own case. Like telling the cops, yeah, I was there, when you should have just stayed quiet. 6. Synopsis. The short version. Like when someone watches a movie and gives you the quick rundown instead of telling you every little detail. 7. Admiralty. The law of the sea. If it happens on water, boats, shipping, even pirates, it falls under admiralty law. 8. Vessel. Any kind of boat, ship, or floating thing that can carry people or stuff on water. Could be a yacht, a cargo ship, or even a tiny fishing boat. 1. Ens legis. A fake, paper-made version of you that the system uses. It's like your government name in all caps. It ain't really you, but they treat it like it is. 2. Attorney in fact. Someone you personally pick to handle your business or legal matters. They ain't a lawyer, just someone you trust to act for you, like a power of attorney move. 3. Attorney-in-law. A straight-up lawyer, the kind that goes to school, passes the bar, and fights cases in court. 4. Attorney-at-law. Same as attorney-in-law. Just a fancy way of saying they're a licensed lawyer. 5. Maritime jurisdiction. If it happens on water, ships, cargo, sailors, trade, it's under maritime law. If you're dealing with anything ocean-related, this is the rulebook. 6. In propria persona. In pro per. Rolling up to court as yourself, not repping some fake legal identity. You ain't using a lawyer. You stand as you, in your own proper person. 7. Maxims. The OG rules of law. Like street codes, but for court. Stuff like, you can't give what you don't have, or the law don't help those who sleep on their rights. 8. Adjudicate. When a judge or court makes a final call on a case. Like saying, that's it, decision made, done deal. 9. Adjudicated. A case that's already been decided. Once a judge rules, it's been adjudicated, whether you like the outcome or not. 10. Adjudication. The whole process of a case getting judged and settled. Like the full courtroom journey from start to finish. 11. Comply. Do what they tell you to do. Follow the rules, meet the standards, check all the boxes. 12. Tort. When someone does you dirty and it causes harm, but it ain't criminal, it's civil. Like, if someone wrecks your car and you sue them for damages, that's a tort case. 13. Presumption. What the system assumes to be true unless you prove otherwise. Like if they assume you owe money just 'cause they sent a bill, but you might not actually owe it. 14. Presume. To take something as a fact without checking. Like when a cop pulls you over and presumes you were speeding, even if you weren't. 15. Assume. Thinking something is true with no proof. Like if someone assumes you got money just 'cause you dress nice. 16. Special appearance. Showing up in court only to challenge the court's right to even have you there. You ain't there to argue the case, just to say, y'all ain't got no power over me. 17. Sovereign. A person who stands on their own authority, not under someone else's rule. They don't swear oaths, they make oaths. 18. Citizen. A legal member of a country who follows its rules and gets its benefits. But in legal terms, it usually means you're under the government's authority.